In this video, you'll learn some of the ways you can use links within your site. So in the previous video in this series, we talked about how to create internal links. And what I'd like to do on my unit resources page is create a table of contents or listing of my unit subpages so that students can come to this page and click on those units as an alternative for using this drop-down menu. So what I could do is make a list of my units. This is just one way to do it. And link this to the Unit 1 resources page. And that looks okay, and I can format this. For some reason, that's not wanting to take. Right. And what is nice about this is that Unit 1 is ready, but if someone comes to this page, they would know Unit 2 is not ready yet. As an alternative, something else I can do is add a button. So from the Insert menu, you scroll down a little bit, see an option for a button. So I could call my button Unit 1, and for link, instead of pasting the link to my page, I could also paste a link to any site, but for this use case, I would link this to my Unit 1 resources page, and that would create a button. I don't have many formatting options here in terms of colors or anything else, but I can change this to just text or an outline. And so now, this is what users to my site would see. And you can see this is kind of a nice, cleaner look than making a list. Although either works, let's try something else because we can link more than text and more than these buttons. So I'm going to go to images, and I'm going to search for the number 1 and find an image that I like. So let's say that there's not many good options here, but you can see I do have options. So let me pick this one instead. So when I insert that number 1, I can uncrop that. I can also link this picture to my Unit 1 resources page. Did that link? No, it did not. So let me apply that. So I could also have a list right here. And when students click on that, they're going to go to that page. And of course, I can make this look a lot nicer by adding text. Unit 1 resources, make that title. Even shrink this down a little bit if I want. And as I add units to my page, I could have a whole listing. So those are some ways to link objects in your site to make your site more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching.